find the combined equation of lines passing through origin and having inclination having inclinations 60 degree and 120 degree. Okay, now here to find the combined equation, here आपल्याला कंबाइंड इक्वेशन काढायचे म्हणले की इक्वेशन ऑफ लाईन माहित पाहिजे आणि इक्वेशन ऑफ लाईन पासिंग थ्रू ओरिजिन ओनली. मग इक्वेशन ऑफ लाईन पासिंग थ्रू ओरिजिन काय, y इक्वल टू mx. म्हणजे इथं फक्त तुम्हाला स्लोप ऑफ लाईन फाइंड करायचा आहे. एकदा लाईनचा स्लोप माहित झाला की इक्वेशन y इक्वल टू mx. माझा इथं स्लोप काढण्यासाठी काय दिलेले, इन्क्लिनेशन दिलेले हियर. अँड द डेफिनेशन ऑफ स्लोप काय, स्लोप ऑफ लाईन इज अ टँजंट ऑफ अँगल made by the line and positive direction of x-axis. An angle made by the line and positive direction of x-axis, it is the inclination. Here angle 60 and 120, that is tan 60 and tan 120 are the slopes of the lines. And slope of line माहित झाली की it is y is equal to mx and y is equal to m2x. Then equation of lines and then combined equation. म्हणजे तुम्हाला combined इक्वेशन काढण्यासाठी फक्त या लाईनचे स्लोप्स फाइंड आउट करायचे. आणि स्लोप फाइंड आउट करण्याच्या मेथड काय, एक तर अँगल दिलेला असेल, नाही तर लाईनला पॅरलल किंवा परपेंडिक्युलर लाईन दिलेली असेल, नाही तर मग डायरेक्ट स्लोप दिलेली असतील. जसे एकदम स्टार्टिंगच्या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये डायरेक्ट स्लोप दिली होती, त्याच्यानंतर पॅरलल किंवा परपेंडिक्युलर लाईन्स, आता दिलेले आहेत अँगल. म्हणजे फक्त तुम्हाला स्लोप फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे. एकदा स्लोप फाइंड आउट झाला की दॅट इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ लाईन y इज इक्वल टू mx, लाईन पासिंग थ्रू ओरिजिन. आणि एकदा दोन इक्वेशन मिळाल्या की त्याची कंबाईंड इक्वेशन म्हणजे फक्त काय, मल्टिप्लिकेशन. ओके, नाव हियर फाइंड द कंबाईंड इक्वेशन ऑफ पेअर ऑफ लाईन्स passing through origin and having inclination 60 degree and 120 degree. Here given that the inclination of lines passing through origin are 60 degree and 120 degree. Therefore, slopes of lines are tan 60 degree and tan 120 degree. Tan 60 degree and tan 120 degree. That is, first slope it is m1 and m1 is tan 60, that is under root 3. And m2 tan 120, it is minus under root 3. Now are the slopes of lines passing through origin. Then when we know the slopes of line, then we find the equation of lines and then combined equation. Now equation of line, y is equal to m1x and y is equal to m2x. Therefore equation of lines passing through origin are y is equal to m1x and y is equal to m2x. Therefore y is equal to under root 3x and y is equal to minus under root 3x. Therefore it is under root 3x minus y is equal to 0 and it is under root 3x plus y is equal to 0. And therefore combined equation is under root 3x minus y into under root 3x plus y is equal to 0. And therefore it is a minus b, a plus b, directly write 3x square minus y square is equal to 0. It is the required combined equation. Okay, to find the combined equation of line, first we know the slope of the lines passing through origin. When we get slopes, then we find the equation of line and then the combined equation. Okay, and here इथपर्यंत जे प्रॉब्लेम आहे, equation of line are the part of 11th. part of 11th, and it is the only last step, it is a part of 12th syllabus. Equation of line we learn in the class 11 in chapter straight line to find the equation of lines, and in this chapter we know only the combined equation of two lines. Okay, carefully pah. Okay. Now next example. Next, find the combined equation of lines passing through origin. Find the combined equation of lines passing through origin, each of which makes angle of 60 degree with y-axis. Here let L1 and L2 are two lines passing through origin. And makes angle of 60 degree with y-axis. Here we know that the slope of line is the tangent of angle with positive direction of x-axis. Here line makes angle 60 degree with y-axis. Here it is x-axis and it is y-axis. Line makes angle 60 degree with y-axis. It is 60 degree and it is also 60 degree, but the inclination of the line L1 and L2, inclination of line L1 and L2, it is the inclination, angle made by with positive direction of x-axis, and it is the inclination. Okay. Therefore L1 makes angle 30 degree with x-axis. Okay. Therefore L1 makes angle 60 degree with y-axis. Therefore this angle it is 30 degree, and L2 makes angle 60 degree with y-axis. Therefore this angle it is 150. Okay. Here it is 150. Therefore L1 and L2 makes angle 30 degree and 150 degree with positive direction of x-axis. That is the inclination of the lines are 30 degree and 150 degree. Here therefore L1 and L2 makes angle 30 degree and 150 degree respectively with positive direction of x-axis. Here L1 and L2 makes angle 60 degree with y-axis. Therefore L1 and L2 makes angle 30 degree and 150 degree with positive direction of x-axis, and for the slope of lines we find the angle with positive direction of x-axis. Therefore L1 makes angle this positive direction of x-axis, and L2 makes this angle with positive direction of x-axis, that is 90 plus 60, that is 150, and it is 90 minus 60, it is 30 degree. Then slope of line is tan 30 and tan 150 are the slopes, आणि slopes माहीत झाले की दॅट इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ लाईन पासिंग थ्रू ओरिजिन काढता येते. ओके, म्हणजे आपल्याला फक्त कोणत्याही लाईन फाइंड द कंबाईंड इक्वेशन म्हणले की आधी त्या लाईनचे स्लोप्स फाइंड आउट करा, आणि स्लोप फाइंड आउट झाले की इक्वेशन ऑफ लाईन अँड देन कंबाईंड इक्वेशन. ओके, नाव देअरफॉर स्लोप्स ऑफ लाईन्स L1 and L2 are M1 is equal to tan 30 and M2 is equal to tan 150 degree and it is 30 degree. Therefore M1 is equal to 1 by under root 3 and M2 is equal to minus 1 by under root 3. Okay. Then find the equation of lines passing through origin, that is L1 and L2. Therefore equation of line L1 and L2 are L1 and L2 are the lines passing through origin. Therefore equation y is equal to M1x and y is equal to M2x. Then y is equal to 1 by under root 3 x and y is equal to minus 1 by under root 3 x. Now under root 3y is equal to x and under root 3y is equal to minus x. Therefore equation of lines x minus under root 3y is equal to 0 and it is x plus under root 3y equal to 0 are the equation of lines. Then find the combined equation. Therefore combined equation is x minus under root 3y and x plus under root 3y is equal to 0 is the combined equation, and therefore it is a minus b and a plus b directly can be written x square minus 3y square is equal to 0. It is the required combined equation. Here line makes angle 60 degree with y axis. Other is question change हो सकते, it is line makes angle 30 degree with y axis, then here 30, then it is 60 and it is 150. If L1 and L2 makes angle 30 degree with y axis, then it is 60 and it is 120. In the last example we see the inclination 60 degree and 120 degree. Okay, now here in the textbook we get example, it is angle 60 degree with y axis. Therefore this is the solution. Angle change झाला तरी calculation same याच पद्धतीने करायचं. ओके, कोणताही असेल अँगल 30 डिग्री 60 डिग्री किंवा here angle makes with y axis with x axis देती, x axis दिले हुए concept same here. Here with x axis, then here it is 60 degree and it is 60 degree, but inclination, it is first inclination is this and second inclination is this. Therefore it is 60, therefore it is 30, then it is 30, that means is also here it is 30, means 60 and 120. Okay, the inclination of these two lines is 60. When the question is this angle 60 degree with x axis, therefore L1 makes angle 60 degree with x axis, L2 makes angle with 60 degree. Okay, therefore inclination it is tan 60, it is 60 and it is 120, then slope is tan 60 and tan 120. Okay, or 60 degree and minus 60 degree, take it is negative. Okay, then we get the answer. Okay, now next, next example. Find the combined equation of a pair of lines passing through origin. Find the combined equation of pair of lines through origin and making equilateral triangle. Making equilateral triangle with the line x equal to 3. Okay, now here let two lines passing through origin and making equilateral triangle with the line x equal to 3. There are three lines. We find the combined equation of two lines, and third line it is a x equal to 3. Okay, here x equal to 3, it is x, it is y. X equal to 3, it is the line x equal to 3, and then two lines passing through origin. Two lines passing through origin. It is x equal to 3. Now here suppose it is O, A and P. Okay, let OA and OB are two lines passing through origin. And making an equilateral triangle with the line x equal to 3. Here OA and OB are the two lines passing through origin and making equilateral triangle with the line x equal to 3. Here OA and OB are the two lines making equilateral triangle with the line. But we find the combined equation of two lines OA and OB. We find the combined equation of two lines passing through origin, that is OA and OB. Then first we find the slope of the lines. The lines OA and OB are the passing through origin, therefore equation of line is y is equal to mx. Therefore first find the slope of line. Then here inclination of the line, that is inclination of line OA, that is line OA makes angle with positive direction of x-axis, it is this, and inclination of line OB, it is this. Here we find first these two angles, that means tan of this angle, it is the slope of the lines. हे दोन्ही अँगल फाइंड आउट करा. हियर हे दोन अँगल फाइंड आउट झाले की त्या दोन अँगलची टॅन व्हॅल्यू म्हणजे स्लोप ऑफ द लाईन, आणि एकदा स्लोप मिळाला की मग इक्वेशन ऑफ लाईन आणि कंबाईंड इक्वेशन. बट नाऊ हियर आता हे अँगल फाइंड आउट कसे करायचे. हियर लाईन OA अँड OB मेक्स इक्विलॅटरल ट्रायंगल विथ द लाईन x equal to 3 makes equilateral triangle. That means this angle 60 degree, this angle also 60 degree, and the line x equal to 3, it is a perpendicular to the x axis. Therefore it is 60, it is 90. Here point now to C, and therefore this angle it is a 30. This is 30, therefore this is 30. Then it is 60. Therefore its opposite angle it is 60. Now total inclination of OB, it is 150. Okay, and it is the inclination. Here inclination of OA, it is a 30 degree. It is the inclination, and it is inclination of OB. Then the slope of line OA, it is a tan 30, and slope of line OB, it is a tan 50. Okay, here tan 30 and tan 150 are the slopes of line. Then we find the equation of line and then combined equation. Okay, now here OA and OB are the two lines passing through origin making equilateral triangle with the line x equal to 3. Here from figure, here in triangle OAC, angle A is equal to 60 degree, angle C is equal to 90 degree. Therefore angle AOB is equal to 30 degree, angle AOC, angle AOC is equal to 30 degree, and angle AOC is the inclination of angle line OA. Okay, it is a 30 degree. Therefore the line OA and OB makes angle 30 degree and 150 degree respectively with positive direction of x-axis. Therefore slope of line OA and OB are, slope of lines OA and OB are, it is tan 150 and it is tan 30 and tan 150. Okay. Therefore we can write m1 is equal to tan 30 it is tan 30 1 by root 3, and m2 it is tan 150 minus 1 by root 3. Okay. Here in the last example we see this tan 130 and tan 150. last example मध्ये हेच अँगल होते. inclination last example 60 degree 60 degree, therefore 30 and 150. Okay, combined equation answer is the same as a last example. Okay, therefore equation of OA and OB are y is equal to m1x and y is equal to m2x. Therefore y is equal to 1 by under root 3x and y is equal to minus 1 by under root 3x. Therefore under root 3y is equal to x and under root 3y is equal to minus x. Therefore equation of lines x minus under root 3y is equal to 0 and x plus under root 3y equal to 0, and therefore combined equation. Combined equation is x minus under root 3y and x plus under root 3y is equal to 0, and therefore we can write x square minus 3y square is equal to 0. It is the combined equation of line. Okay, now here the combined equation of lines passing through origin and making equilateral triangle with the x equal to 3. Here हे x equal to 3, x equal to 3 च्या जागा x equal to 4, x is equal to 5, x is equal to 6 काहीही आलं तरी आन्सर सेम, कारण या x equal to 3 या लाईनचं काम एवढंच आहे की इट इज अ परपेंडिक्युलर टू द x ॲक्सिस. व्हेन इट इज x is equal to 4 लाईन इकडे येईल अशी. ओके, बस इन्क्लिनेशन चेंज होणार नाही. ओके, x equal to 4 देन लाईन इकडे येईल, x is equal to 5 लाईन इकडे येईल, हे इन्क्लिनेशन चेंज होणार नाहीत. या लाईनचं काम एवढंच आहे, इट इज अ परपेंडिक्युलर टू द x ॲक्सिस. व्हेन इट इज x is equal to 2 दिस, x is equal to 1 this, x is equal to 0 नाही येणार फक्त, except 0 any real number, x equal to except x equal to 0. इथं मायनस आलं तरी सेम, मायनस आल्यावर या साईडला येईल. ओके, पण इन्क्लिनेशन तेच राहील. निगेटिव्ह जरी आले x equal to -3 तर या साईडला येईल. ही डायग्राम मिरर इमेज यार, इन्क्लिनेशन तेच राहील. ओके, नाउ हियर वी सी द equilateral, making equilateral triangle with the line x equal to 3. when making equilateral triangle with the line y is equal to 3, y is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, anything here. Now same concept फक्त लक्षात घ्या. here line y is equal to 3 means parallel to the x axis. Okay, here it is y and it is x. y equal to 3, then lines passing through origin, okay, it is O, A and it is B. Okay, y equal to 3, it is a perpendicular to the y axis. here example व्यवस्थित पहा, चेंज केलेले आहे. इट इज लास्ट एक्झाम्पल, इट इज x equal to 3 होता, इथं y equal to 3. OA and OB are the lines passing through origin making equilateral triangle with the line y is equal to 3. Okay, then in triangle OAC, it is OA and it is C, it is 60 degree, it is 90 degree, therefore it is 30 degree. Here is also 60 degree because it is equilateral triangle. But first we know the inclination of the lines passing through origin, and the inclination of the lines, that means the line making angle with positive direction of x axis. Here line OA makes this angle and line OB makes this angle. Okay, but we know this angle, it is also 30, therefore this is 60 and it is 120. Therefore inclination of two lines passing through origin, it is 60 degree and 120 degree. It is 60 degree and 120 degree. Therefore angle OAC, it is in triangle OAC, angle A is 60 degree, angle C is 90 degree. Therefore angle AOC, it is 30 degree. Therefore line OA and OB makes angle 60 degree and 120 degree with positive direction of x axis. Therefore slopes of line OA, it is tan 60 and it is tan 120. Okay, therefore slopes are tan 60 degree, it is under root 3, and tan 120, it is minus under root 3. Therefore equation of lines, it is tan under root 3x and it is tan under root minus 3x. Then it is equation of lines. Equation of line is under root 3x minus y is equal to 0 and under root 3x plus y is equal to 0. Therefore combined equation is under root 3x minus y into under root 3x plus y is equal to 0, and therefore it is combined equation 3x square minus y square is equal to 0. Okay, concept same. Okay, x equal to 3 होता है, they are perpendicular to the x axis. Here y equal to 3, therefore perpendicular to the y axis, and this is one line and second line other two lines are passing through origin and making equilateral triangle with this line. Therefore, the inclination of the lines passing through origin, it is 60 degree and 120 degree. Okay, it is an equilateral triangle. Therefore, 60, 60, it is 90, and total angle is 60. But in this triangle, for the inclination, it is 90, 60. Therefore, it is 30. 90, 60, 30. Therefore, it is 30. It is also 30 degree. Okay. Then it is inclination of OB. It is 120, and inclination of OA, it is 60 degree. Therefore, slopes of lines are tan 60 and tan 120, and then we get equation of lines and then combined equation. Okay, see carefully.